Welcome back. At least one major affiliate marketplace has created an automation on Zapier, although there are probably soon to be more. Right now, if you type in the search for JVZoo, you'll notice that JVZoo has some automations. We're going to click JVZoo, and then you'll see automations that are available. One in particular that we want to pay attention to is this automation that allows us to add customers to a MailChimp list from JVZoo product refunds. Basically, what this allows us to do is to automate the process of reaching out to someone who has asked for a refund and then to request more information on why they felt the need to ask for a refund and what you can do to keep them wanting to purchase products from you in the future. So we're going to click Use this Zap. And we're going to click Create this Zap. And then we're going to click Continue with the JVZoo trigger. We're then going to connect a JVZoo account. And in order to do that, we're going to have to get the API key from our JVZoo account. Once we retrieve it, we'll place it in the dialog box and then we'll click Yes, Continue. We'll then test the connection. Once we verify that we've had success, we'll then click Save and Continue. We'll then select the product or products that we want to monitor. And then we'll click Continue. Once we verify this process, we'll then click Fetch and Continue. We'll then come to the point in the process where we're going to connect our MailChimp account. We're then going to click Continue. We'll then connect our MailChimp account. Once we have the account, we'll then click Test, and then we'll click Save and Continue. We'll then choose a list inside of MailChimp. So once we've chosen the list and subscriber email, we'll then click Continue. We can then send the test to MailChimp. And once we click Finish, we then have a working Zap. And now every time there's a refund in JVZoo under one particular product, that person will be added to the particular MailChimp list that we have specified, giving us latitude to contact them automatically. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.